Hey, welcome everybody. Of course, we always have to put our disclaimer at the beginning of the video, but today we're going to talk about energy dividend stocks. And I'm talking about clean energy. I'm talking about companies that are doing great and they're paying great dividend. Now, in making this presentation, I went through a whole lot of these companies. A lot of these companies paying great dividend, but some of these companies not looking as if they can maintain or give the same type of dividend year over year. So I narrowed it down to three. And so these three appear to be doing very good. Let's see what you think. So why energy stocks? Well, as the title noted, we're investing in our future and clean energy. And these are cleaner alternatives. And these companies in particular have a lot of room to grow, because clean energy is still just a small part of our economy, of the energy we produce. I think these companies have a great potential to grow, and it'll be a great investment. So with that being said, let's jump into the first stock, which is NextEra Energy. Now, this is the world's largest utility. That already tells you it's something big. They are the largest producer of wind and solar energy in the world. Now, they own 120 wind facilities. They generate about 13,000 megawatts of energy every year. So how much is a megawatt? A kilowatt gives you about 15 cents per hour. A megawatt gives you about $150 per hour. And if you compare it to gasoline, as you can see, there's no comparison. Much cheaper to do this and much cleaner. Now, they do have solar power also, and they generate about 2,000 megawatts as well. And in addition, they have also some gas and nuclear power plants as well. So they have a lot of options for us. Let's talk about the dividend. It's been increasing yearly. Currently in 2018, they gave $4.44 per share. And the earnings per share during that time is $11.47. So there's no risk of this dividend going down. This company is very strong and doing well. Probably will get better over time. So let's talk about the price of the stock. It is currently $172.53. 5 years ago, it was $87.25. Therefore, you've seen a doubling of this stock, which is fantastic. Now, the gross profit of the company was $9.7 billion, and the net profit was $5.3 billion. Company's been doing fantastic. I think this is a great one to look into. I think everyone should take a look into this stock and see what you think. Let's go on to the next. Vestas Wind Systems. Now, this company is 100% focused on wind energy only. Now, it's the largest wind turbine manufacturer in the world. The turbines are manufactured in Colorado. The company is from Denmark, but they manufacture things in Colorado. The market cap is pretty high there. And as you can see, they partnered up with Tesla to deal and do some projects in Australia, which sounds very interesting and possibly very productive for future growth as well. So these are some of the main points about this company, but let's go on and talk a little bit about their dividend as well. So the dividend is not that great. It's 49 cents per share. However, the earnings per share is $1.61. So I don't see this dividend rate going down at all. Now, if we look at the price of the company, it's $25.28 at this time. 5 years ago, it was $11.61. It's more than doubled, so that's a great return. Profits, as you can see, are pretty good. Net profit over $1 billion. Now let's go on to the third company. EQM Midstream Partners. As you can see, they're the third largest gatherer of natural gas in the United States. They provide the midstream services to producers and utilities, and they own quite a bit of pipeline. I want you to get a good look at this slide because their dividend is fantastic, $1, over $1. And over the last few years, look at that increase every single quarter. And so we see that this company is actually committed and they are providing great dividend. You can see by this last slide here, the price has varied quite a bit, but the company itself is making good profit, and it has been increasing over the several years that I've seen since about 2014 on. So these are the three companies that I think I would invest into at this time for dividend. Check them out, see what you think. Thanks for listening. Take care.